Hello everyone and welcome back. I've had a short break, but here I am again. And in this lesson, you will learn how to ask and answer the question, where are you going? You will learn the verb to go in the present tense, some vocabulary for groceries, the verb want to in the present tense, how to ask and answer the question, what do you want? And the construction, want to buy something. So let's get started. На пазар. At the market or going shopping. На пазар. Къде отиваш? Къде отиваш? Where are you going? Отивам на пазар. Отивам на пазар. I am going shopping. Магазин. Shop. Any kind of shop. Магазин. Отивам до магазина. Отивам до магазина. I am going to the shop. Отивам до магазина. The verb to go in Bulgarian. Отивам. Аз отивам. I go or I am going. Ти отиваш. You go or you are going. Той отива. He goes or he is going. Тя отива. She goes or she is going. Тя отива. То отива. It goes or it is going. Ние отиваме. We go or we are going. Ние отиваме. Вие отивате. You go or you are going. Вие отивате. Те отиват. They go or they are going. Те отиват. Къде отива Ана? Where is Anna going? Къде отива Ана? To form the question, use the question word where, къде. Къде. The verb to go in the present and the subject Anna. Къде отива Ана? Ана отива на пазар. Ана отива на пазар. Anna is going shopping. To make the sentence, use the subject, first Anna, the verb to go in the present, отива, and the object, на пазар. You may have noticed that there is no distinction between the present simple and present continuous in Bulgarian. Anna отива на пазар means Anna goes shopping, as well as Anna is going shopping. And now let's practice. Ask the question, where is Ivo going? The answer will be on the next slide. And the answer, къде отива Иво? Къде отива Иво? Where is Ivo going? And now more practice. Make the sentence, Ivo is going to the shop. And the answer, Ivo отива до магазина. Иво отива до магазина. Искам да купя. I want to buy. Искам да Купя. Един хляб. A loaf of bread, masculine. Един хляб. Два хляба. Two loaves of bread, masculine plural. Два хляба. Домат. Томато. Домати. Tomatoes. Домат. Домати. Краставица. Cucumber. Краставица. Краставици. Краставици. Cucumbers. Краставици. Сирене. Nurture. Сирене. Plural. Сирена. Сирена. Кашкавал. Masculine. Кашкавал. Yellow cheese. Кашкавал. Кисело мляко. Кисело мляко. Bulgarian yogurt. Literally sour milk. Кисело мляко. Прясно мляко. Прясно мляко. Milk. Прясно мляко. Regular milk. Or literally fresh milk. Масло. Butter. Масло. Масло. Мед. Honey. Мед. Мед. Месо. Meat. Месо. Месо. Диня. Watermelon. Диня. Диня. Искам да купя хляб, домати, краставици, сирене, кашкавал, кисело мляко, прясно мляко, масло, мед, месо и диня. I want to buy bread, tomatoes, cucumbers, white cheese, yellow cheese, yogurt, milk, butter, honey, meat and watermelon. Искам да купя. I want to buy. Искам да купя. The verb искам, want to, in the present tense. Аз искам. I want. Аз искам. Ти искаш. You want. Ти искаш. Той иска. He wants. Той иска. Тя иска. She wants. Тя иска. То иска. It wants. То иска. And now in the plural. Ние искаме. Ние искаме. We want. Ние искаме. Вие искате. Вие искате. You want. Plural you. Те искат. They want. Те искат. Just as in English, Bulgarian distinguishes between to want something and to want to do something. Какво искаш? What do you want? Какво искаш? To make the question, use the question word what, какво, the verb искаш, this is the verb to want in the present, and subject, if needed. To answer the question, аз искам диня. I want some watermelon, but we can also say искам диня without the personal pronoun. To make the sentence, use the subject if required. Many times the subject is optional, the verb in the present, and the object. And now another type of questions with what. Какво? Какво искат децата? What do the children want? To form this type of question, use the question word какво, follow with the verb, and add the subject, if required. And now let's answer this question. Децата искат диня. The children want some watermelon. Децата искат диня. You can see that to make a sentence, just as in English, we put the subject first, follow with the verb, and add the object if required. We can also replace the subject, децата, the children, with the personal pronoun they, те. And then we get the sentence, те искат диня. They want some watermelon. To sum up, it's all pretty standard stuff. To make a sentence, use the subject, verb, and object if required. We will use this word to practice. The word is sладолед, ice cream, masculine. Sладолед, sладолед. Note the two L sounds are different. Sладолед, sладолед. And now let's practice. Can you make the sentence, you want an ice cream, singular? Use the sample sentences below and the previous slides to help you. And the answer, ти искаш сладолед, or искаш сладолед. You want an ice cream. Now we will talk about the construction want to do something. In English, you don't have to think too much about it. Because the verb that follows I want to, you want to, doesn't change. It's always in its base form. I want to buy, you want to buy, he wants to buy. To buy stays the same. But in Bulgarian, you need to conjugate that verb to change it in every single person and in the singular and the plural. And also, the verb that follows, in this case buy, should be conjugated in the future. I appreciate this may not be a beginner's topic, but let's do it anyway. We will talk about the phrase I want to buy something as an example. You can see the sentence here. I want to buy some watermelon. Искам да купя диня. Искам is in the present, I want to. Да follows the particle to, and then купя. Купя is future from the verb to buy. And we will now change this verb in all the persons and in the singular. Let's start with this. Аз искам да купя. I want to buy. Искам да купя. I want to buy. Ти искаш да купиш. You want to buy. Ти искаш да купиш. Той, тя, то иска да купи. He, she, it wants to buy. Той иска да купи. He wants to buy. Тя иска да купи. She wants to buy. То иска да купи. It wants to buy. It's perfectly fine in Bulgarian to use the word it, in Bulgarian to, when talking about a child or a baby. And let's continue now with the plural of the construction want to buy something. Ние искаме да купим. We want to buy. Ние искаме да купим. Вие искате да купите. You want to buy. Вие искате да купите. Plural you. You want to buy. Те искат да купят. They want to buy. Те искат да купят. They want to buy. Let's look at forming questions with what and the construction want to buy. Какво искаш да купиш? What do you want to buy? Какво искаш да купиш? Какво искаш да купиш? All you have to do is use the question word какво, what, and follow with want to buy. You can also add names or personal pronouns at the beginning or the end. Example: Искам да купя домати. I want to buy tomatoes. And now practice. Can you ask the question, what does he want to buy? Use the previous slides to help you, and the answer will be on the next slide. And the answer: какво иска да купи? Or какво иска да купи той? What does he want to buy? There is also another way of asking, including the person's name. Какво иска да купи Иво? What does Ivo want to buy? Какво иска да купи Иво? Time for more practice now. Can you make the sentence: Ivo wants to buy yogurt, 2 loaves of bread, and cucumbers? The answer will be on the next slide. And here we have the answer. Иво иска да купи кисело мляко, 2 хляба и краставици. Иво иска да купи, Ivo wants to buy, кисело мляко, yogurt, 2 хляба, 2 loaves of bread и краставици, and cucumbers. And that will be all for today. Please do join me in the next video, where we will be at the market and we will learn how to ask for the prices of things. Thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you soon for more Bulgarian. Thanks and bye now.